Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. Today we having inside out two cartoon characters. We having fear, we having anger, we have embarrassment, we have anxiety, we have 4 nails to do today. So in this tutorial we're starting with anger. We decided to go with this brownish color. We already having a sketch. If you don't know how I sketch my nails, I'll link a video down below so that you will know how I sketch my nails. So we decided for the face of anger, we decided to go with this brownish color, and for the pants I decided to go with black so that the belt can be like a grayish in color. So yeah. So the polishes that I'm using are from Bling Girls. Liner gel, liner brush are from Planet Nails. So I decided to go with this white for the t-shirt because black and white, is giving with a grayish belt. So like I loved it. I don't know the color of this tie, but you're gonna see it. I decided to go with this color. For outline or line work, I'm using a liner gel from Planet Nails, like I told you before. So yeah, just make sure you just control the pressure of the brush, because if you do not control the pressure, somewhere is gonna be big, somewhere is gonna be thin, somewhere is gonna be thin. I mean to say somewhere is gonna be big. Make sure you control the pressure. The pressure of your brush must be consistent. If you're doing a big line, that pressure must be like that. So now I'm just doing a thin line inside, and then on the outside I'm just doing a thicker line, but on the inside I'm doing like a thin line. As you can see there, I'm just controlling the pressure of my brush. Make sure you control the pressure of your brush. I don't know if I'm making sense, but make sure you control the pressure of your brush. If you're making thin line, make sure all the way the line are thin. And we're just giving it a top coat and we are done. And we move into fear. Now we're doing fear. We just painting him. I just wanted to make like some fur on this character. Like this character is having some fur, so I decided to add some fur on this character. Like I don't know if the idea was crazy or what, but just comment down below and tell me what do you feel about this. But I tried to do some fur on this particular character, so just tell me how you feel about it, and I nailed it, or is it a yes or is it a no? Just comment down below. that is me trying to add some fair on a character. So I was like, no man, why don't I add white on this fair? So I decided to take a white polish and then do some fair. So, but I loved how he turned out. Like, I love how he turned out. Just comment down below and tell me how you feel. But I think I nailed it, me. I think I nailed it. And we're just gonna top coat it and move to embarrassment. So on this particular character, I used 3 shades of pink. The first pink I used to color the nose. I gave it a 2 coat of this pink. The second pink I used to outline the nose, like to give it like that outlining. And the third pink I used it to shade the nose. And then I added a bit of white on the shading. So yeah. For the hoodie, I decided to use this color. It's giving like a sky blue. And for the zip and those strips, I decided to use one color. outlining him and bring embarrassment to life. The gel liner I use as from Planet Nails as always. So I'm just bringing embarrassment to life. Like, look at him. It's coming out so beautifully. So I used a bit of black, and then I added a base coat for the shading. If you can see there, I used a shading. The shading I used black and a base coat to make that shading that I'm doing now is a black and a base coat. And now we're moving on to our last character, which is Anxiety. So Anxiety, she is orange in color. The color of the face is orange, and she's gonna be our last character for the day. So we're gonna have part 2 of this inside out 2 characters, because there's still more left. So yeah, do not worry, we're gonna have like part 2 of it. So as long as you have your sketch on point, as long as you sketched your design very well, and then you're just painting in those spaces, the design is gonna come out the way you want it to. If you don't know how I sketch my nails, I will link all my videos. I have a long video of how I sketch my nails and a short video as well. So I'm gonna link them in my description box down below, and you will see how I sketch my nails. We just give in the touch up, and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that like button that is looking like this, and we'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye.